Not no, but not yes. Started doing 15-minute orb strat. Nice. I'll share my screen too. I didn't realize, honestly, I wasn't even thinking. I am a little slow sometimes. All right, you guys can see my screen, right? You guys can see my screen, correct? Okay, let's get it. Let's see if we can find something for Power Hour. We're making a move back up on the Qs. Damn, what a sell the news event on Tesla. That is a wild candle. I almost said camera. That is a wild candle right at, and I mean right at, our previous resistance. Have I been trading Robinhood this week? No. I've been robbing the hood though. If NQ's the hood, I've been robbing it daily. What's up, Ryan? How's it going, bro? What up, what up, what up? All right, guys. Who here is all signed up for my free 3-day masterclass starting this coming Monday? Who's all signed up? Who's all registered and ready to rock? That's what I want to know, Team Bull. You guys all registered? It's going to be a game changer, I'm telling you. I'm going to leave you feeling like you just left a Tony Robbins seminar. Like you just paid $30,000 to attend a Tony Robbins webinar. Here's the link. You know who Jdun is. Did you see your exposing video? Well, you should send it to me. There's a lot of them. Exposing Jdun for being the biggest baller in the universe. Exposing Jdun for trading live every day and making people lots of money. There are going to be more limited Apex codes. Oh, that was awesome. Did you get one of those free accounts, Ashley? Did you get paid from a free account or did you buy an account with code Jdun? Either way, shout out Ashley in chat. She just got a payout from Apex, $1,500. It was about brokers paying influencers to teach faulty strategies. Well, I can tell you, no brokers pay me. I have some affiliate deals with prop firms. But if you come to my live every day, you'll be able to see. You'll be able to see that I call out bangers every single day. Ask the chat. Chat, for you guys that come every day, do I tell you to trade a bunch of horrible strategies and blow your accounts, or do I tell you to trade discipline over dopamine? And do I tell you to trade smart and not take a bunch of trades and use less size? What do I do? You tell me, chat. What message do I portray to you guys daily? Type it in the TikTok. I know some of y'all are here every morning. So you go back, watch my recordings. You tell me what I do. Discipline over dopamine. That's right. That's exactly what I say. What's up, you're a veg? DOD. Discipline over dopamine. Let's find ourselves a winner for Power Hour. Jdun loves the full port. Hey, I'm getting close to another payout on these Top Step. I've gotten almost $10,000 from Top Step in the last 2 weeks in payouts on my first try on their XFAs. Right now, my accounts are at 1,600. I have 5 accounts at 1,600 balance, and I need 3 more, or what is it? 2 more days? 2 more, what? I need 2 more days of 150. So after that, I'll be able to get another $5,000 payout. I'm trying to go live. Prop firms are hard. I'm trying really hard not to blow these accounts up. I am cooking, and I haven't even announced my big winner, my big payout I got coming. And when I say big, it's pretty freaking big. I am cooking. 28K or more. What do you think? Let's see. There's no volume here. There's not a whole lot. As a reminder, guys, too, how many of you took advantage and used code Jdun20 on Alpha Futures? This is the last day for 20% off any Alpha Futures account. I like the advanced accounts, the 50, 100, or 150K, because there's no consistency rule. Need each and every one of you guys, if you've been looking, yes, sir, I know you tried it. If you've been looking to try a new prop firm, one of the hottest firms in the game, try Alpha Futures. They're just like Top Step with no consistency unfunded on the advanced plans. You can use code Jdun20. Yep, I'll put the link in chat. You can use code Jdun20 for 20% off. It expires at midnight tonight. Nice job, Ryan. Let's go. I hope you crush it. I believe, is the advanced account end of day, Gene?
Yeah, I think they all are.
And I think they all are end of day. I believe you need to be 18 for prop firms. Right now, I would prefer longs until we break structure to the downside. We held that 25,100. We built a base above 25,100. We can see that very clearly in our screen share right here. We built a base in this area, this previous resistance turn support. Higher volume on this wick up. So now we'll see if we can make that next leg up into the 130s. That's what I'd look for. We're going to go on my SoundCloud. I love SoundCloud. I use SoundCloud every day. I don't care what y'all say. SoundCloud's fire. That's where all my like weird music is. It doesn't make the cut for Spotify. What's up, Pretty Boy 23? Welcome. Hey, Jdun, pretty new here. When you execute an order, can you show us the fast way to execute it and what platform you use? It depends what you're trading. Options or futures? Options, I'd recommend Thinkorswim. I actually have a funded options platform I've been testing out too. It's pretty cool. You can get payouts on day one of Pro. But I would recommend Thinkorswim for live accounts. Robinhood's making some good changes too. For futures, Tradeovate. Project X has grown on me a little bit, just not for scalping. For me personally, not for scalping. I don't really like scalping on Project X. No, trade of 8. No, trade of 8. Trade of 8. That's funny. What up? I'm on a live stream. I'll call you back when market closes. Oh, peace. Top Step's cool. I don't have an affiliate with Top Step. They don't have an affiliate program, but if they did have one, I'd be an affiliate for sure. The only firms that I have affiliation with in code Jdun will get you the best discount and payout protection are Apex, that's the most scalable. Tradeify is my recommended firm for all straight to funded needs. Alpha Futures is basically a top step without being top step. And FFF is a nice mix of the others. I swear everyone just calls me when I'm live, literally. Just call good old Jacob when he's live. That's it. How was everyone's trading morning? How'd you guys do? Talk to me. The good, the bad, the beautiful, the ugly. How'd we all do? I'm testing it still, Naz. I need to make sure I approve of everything before I recommend it to you. I should have an answer by Monday. I don't recommend firms that I can't put my name behind. Too bad. Phone's already on Do Not Disturb. Already on silent. It might vibrate, though. Was down 5K at one point. Back green on the day. Oh, come on, bro. Let me rephrase that. Unless that's normal for you, I can't really speak on that. So my apologies on jumping to conclusions. But if 5K is significantly higher than you plan to risk, then it's a problem. All right, then it's a problem. Then I was rationalized in what I said. Guys, I'm trying to figure something out. So I don't take 1v1 students anymore. I don't have time. But for the ones I'm working with, I got some students. I'm not going to name names. And if you're in here, you can chime in if this is you. I'm not going to say your name. Don't worry. But I have one student I was talking with today that we set a maximum loss limit for him. I said, so we're going to call him John Doe. I said, John Doe, I don't want you losing more than $300 in a day and no more than 2 trades. The last 2 days, he's lost $600 and $400. And I'm like, John Doe, why can't you stick to your plan of having a maximum loss limit? You know, we can work day in and day out on discipline, but if you can't follow it, it doesn't mean anything. And, you know, his response was like, I just get so emotional when I lose, I can't stem the bleeding. So my response to him is that we need to find a way. You need to find the discipline in yourself to keep your promises to yourself in your trading and in your daily life. Because if you can't stem the bleeding, if you tell yourself you're only going to risk $300 and you're consistently losing $500, $600, $700, you're not going to be able to make it long-term as a trader. If you can't be a good loser, you will never have the right to win. Because if you can win, you can make $200 a day for 5 days. Doesn't matter if on day 6 you lose $1,200. And that's why I sound like a hippie when I talk to y'all about this, but like things that changed my life were consistently hitting the gym, meditating every single morning, eating a healthy diet, getting my gut in check, and really gaining control or gaining awareness of my emotions. Because I used to be very impatient, very impulsive. I'd get frustrated, I'd get pissed. And what really changed for me was when I found that emotional intelligence in my trading. When I just don't blow myself up, I'm actually a really, really, really good trader. And that was my problem for a long time. If I just can stay away from blowing myself up, I stay incredible. And I think that goes for a lot of you guys. That was my problem for the longest time, especially my first few years, is I would just blow myself up consistently. I'd do really good for a week and then blow myself up. I'd do really good for a month and then blow myself up. So what really helped me was when I dialed in my discipline, when I started meditating, even for 5 minutes every single morning. And I just, excuse my language, hide your kids' ears, I just stopped fucking myself over. And that's what really changes the game. That's what 95% of people cannot do. Or they let their internal problems, their daily struggles, I get it. We're all going through something. Some of us more than others at times. but you cannot let that bleed into your trading. If you consistently let that bleed into your trading, you're going to see the same results over and over and over. Going through it, brother. Scary. Yep, Tiger Wood. And guess what you shouldn't be doing right now? Putting on risk. I'm not saying you are. I'm just saying, hypothetically speaking, this chart looks horrible in the screen share. I can't do all that. You know, I'm cool with that Wi-Fi money as long as you know what you're doing for sure. Am I in the 1 minute, 5 minute, or yes, 1 minute? Yep. 1 minute on that screen. I've started doing almost the exact same thing and just started being profitable. Yep. And I'm going to really go over that in my free 3-day webinar too. I'm going to go over my strategy, my daily routine. I'm going to walk it through so simply to you that a third grader can learn. That's my goal with the free 3-day masterclass. I'm going to make things so stupid simple that you could teach your second grader. It sounds silly, but that's my ultimate goal. Is I want to spend 3 days ripping into you in the most respectful but personal way to get you to trade with discipline. And if you can do that, you're going to enjoy trading a lot more. I'm not saying you're going to become massively profitable right away after, but you will enjoy trading more. Because what good is a life where you come in and you're stressed every second of every trading day? Does anyone feel that way? I used to come in every trading day just stressed, literally all day trading. Just I'm guessing I don't know what the hell I'm doing, and it just was it wasn't enjoyable. Actually got sober because of you. That's amazing, Brett. That's the best thing I've heard all day. You enjoy every trading day. That's amazing. And that means you probably come in with a system. You probably come in not guessing. You manage your risk. You know exactly what you're supposed to do. Otherwise, if you're not doing those things, and if you're just guessing and you like gambling, then I guess that's more power to you. But it likely won't last very long. You're likely running on synthetic dopamine. So I quit trading and started coding. Nice. Be careful about AI, man. AI is coming for the coding. The basic, at least. Yep, JMC, I just can't give you a code yet. The class will start on Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. This is an XFA that is on my free TikTok stream. It's a Top Step funded account, so technically speaking, it's not live, but I get payouts from it. I've gotten $9,500 in payouts in the last 2 weeks. I'm getting close to another $5,000 payout between my 5 accounts. Do I think that AI can take trading for us? The short answer, yes, but not for a long time. The long answer is that AI is not very good at trading right now. There's HFTs, which are high frequency trading algorithms that have been on Wall Street for a long time. But in terms of like, if you guys see an ad on Instagram or on TikTok or YouTube, whatever, that's like, hey, let my AI pay for or trade for you and you're going to make millions. That's likely BS. AI is not super great at trading right now, but I think in the next 5-10 years, we're going to see massive shifts in what AI and super intelligence capabilities are. That's my opinion. I mean, I'm not an extreme AI expert in terms of trading capabilities, but I've been learning more and more about what super intelligence looks like, and I'll tell you guys, it's low-key pretty scary. Funded Futures Family or Apex for beginners? Probably Funded Futures Family. Either FFF or honestly use code Jdun20 on Alpha Futures right now. It only lasts till midnight. Then you can use code Jdun after that. But Jdun20 is a special promo just for us. That's a good beginner firm. Tradeify is a good beginner firm. Just use their evals. I wouldn't recommend straight to funded because they're more expensive as a beginner. And Apex, the intraday trailing is just really tough as a beginner. So as a true beginner, I mean, if you're intermediate, Apex can be a great firm and it's very scalable, but you just have to have a bit of a structure on how to trade and what that looks like. You feel me? What did you say, Gene? Honestly, Gene, I literally forgot you were in here. I'm not even joking. I forgot Gene was hanging. What do I think of demo accounts? It depends. I mean, I don't like paper trading at all if you're just doing it for practice. I'd rather you get some skin in the game and at least use an eval that you're paying for. At least then you have a little skin in the game. I don't use TPT or Bulanox. I only have codes with Apex, Tradeify, FFF, and Alpha. All 4 firms I trust and can recommend to you in good faith. The only part I don't like about Alpha's advanced is their the risk reward between the drawdown and the profit target, but I love everything else. If you can get past that, just make a bit more money, you're going to be good. Forever said I don't. But remember this too, guys. I talk about prop firms a lot, but what do I also tell you about prop firms? Ain't no way, code JDUN. What do I also tell you all about prop firms? That almost no one else that's an affiliate will tell you. What do I tell you? I tell you that they are not the end all be all. That's what I tell you, is that you shouldn't make them your livelihood. You should use them to build up confidence, learn how to follow rules, get payouts, and then move those payouts to a live account. Like, I don't want you guys trading on prop firms forever. I don't want you, as much as I appreciate you guys supporting me and supporting the team using code JDUN and Team Bull, I don't want you on them forever. Your goal is to make money, and your goal is to find freedom with trading, right? Well, you guys understand how prop firms work, right? I mean, I internally owned one that's paid out almost $10 million. I can tell you they prey on people who don't follow their rules, who full port, who can't take losses, and who don't prioritize base hits. That's what they prey on. When you own a prop firm and you see someone that's consistently taking base hits and is milking you for 2, 3, 4, 5,000 a week, that's when they become a liability. Then you have the one-off of the trader who just balls out and can put on size, but it's very few and far between. If you can simply just hit base hits, manage your risk, and protect the downside, you're good. Brandon, I haven't been a part of FFF for 7 months. I sold my equity 7 months ago. I sold my 50% for a multitude of reasons. The biggest one being I just didn't want to own a prop firm anymore. I like helping y'all take money from them. Totally, bro. Yeah, I sold my equity back in end of February. Oh, shit. They're doing well, though. Manny's done a really good job. They have a lot of new plans. I just got a Tradeify straight to funded. Nice, 150K. Tradeify is great. Just be careful about that consistency. On the straight to funded. I'm about to hit the craziest Hotworks workout tonight. Todd, I don't. There's better firms. Let's go look at some individual names, too. Let's go see what we got cooking. Dude, who thinks they can call me? No, 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 no. Sorry, I just seen your message, Brian. Jdun, I have been trading 2 years. In 2 years, I got paid on Top Step. In 2 years, I got paid on Top Step after I got paid out. I lost all my account and blew so many accounts. Some advice, Jdun. Well, let's not look at advice. Let's look at data. You said you got paid out. So that means that you know to some extent how to trade. Well, what happened after? I mean, I want you to really break down what has happened day by day to where you consistently lose money. Each trade, what is happening? Are you consistently, are you over trading? Are you forcing trades? Are you letting your losers run wild while your winners are small? That's what I want you guys, that's what you have to ask yourself. It's easy to get tricked by emotions. That's what I want you guys to get. It's very easy to let our emotions trick us. But when you really force yourself to write it down and look at data, that's when you start getting some real tangible answers. All right, so you force trades and you hold losses. So what do we do to prevent that? What's the action plan to be better? You keep your promises to yourself. You come into every day with a plan. You say, all right, my name is Brian, and I myself am going to come in today. I'm going to have a maximum of 2 trades. I'm going to wait for 5-minute confirmations, or if you trade hourly supply and demand or whatever it may be, you're going to wait for confirmation where you've seen the setup happen 10, 20, 30 times. And then when you see your risk, you're going to execute. You're going to use smaller size, know exactly what size and how much risk is entailed in each trade, and then you're going to execute. And that's what you're going to do. And then you repeat that over and over. The problem is you repeat something 2, 3, 4 times, and then a loss comes because your system is going to fail. The loss comes, and you completely become unhinged. You completely crumble. The house of cards falls. If that means you have to go down to literally 1 micro, I would rather you be trading 1 micro and trading 1 micro well than blowing up off 1 mini. Because wouldn't you rather make $100 or $50 trading a micro than lose $300 a day? Best resources to learn risk management. Oh my gosh, look at that candle. Best resources to learn risk management. Bro, well, for one, sign up for my free 3-day masterclass this coming week. That's a start. All it's going to cost you is time. And I say this because a lot of you guys probably see these free webinars and you see ads for this and that, but I'm trading with you guys live every single day. Every single morning. So if I have you come into a webinar where you're going to spend your valuable hour of each evening for 3 days, don't you think it would make me look silly if I just didn't give you any value? If I just came in and started selling you shit the whole time and gave you absolutely no value, don't you think that would make me look a little bit silly? And is that, a lot of you guys know me pretty well by now by our daily live streams together. Is that who I am? it's not if you're new here. You feel me? So if you're looking to level up your trading and be a better trader by as soon as the middle of next week, I'll see you then. If you'd rather sit around and scroll on TikTok and play video games and go out and party or go out and have beers, then maybe, you know, that says a lot about what direction you're heading. Only dreaming that you're missing me. I'm being crazy. I'm going to post the link too. If you guys have not signed up yet, here's the link to sign up and there's save your seat. Why does it keep saying all the seats are taken? Let me call my cigars are cool. Hey, real quick, some people have said that there's all the seats were taken on the webinar funnel. Can you make sure that's not the case? Yeah, I've had a few people say that. I don't know. Can you send a screenshot of if it says that for you? Cal and Lotto Lee, can you send a picture to me, please, via DM or in chat? I've had a few people say that. I might say that I'm just want to make sure we were good in that end, but just let me know if you see anything. I didn't think there was no cap on it. I mean, obviously, if it fills up. Ooh, here. He said he DM'd me. Hold on. Keep waiting here by the phone with the pictures. Hey. Oh, it says event unavailable. Like account associated with this event has reached its plan limits. If you're the account owner, please click below to log in and upgrade your account. Add event. Hold on. You're on speaker. I'm on a live stream. Not that you'd be talking PG-13 anyway. You don't really do that, but hold on. I'm sending you a picture. I sent you a picture.
Okay, I see. That was just the software we're using for them to add us to their calendar, but I'll go.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thanks, man.
Of course.
All right, bye. All right, that should be fixed soon. Well, you'll still be able to register. It just won't let you add it to the calendar. That's the only issue. It's 1992. What the heck? All right. You still will be registered, so you'll still be good in that front. You'll still be good. You just can't add it to your calendar. You'll still be good, I promise. You guys want to see something dope that I did? I want to try something. Hold on. Hold on. Look at this. Look what I got done. Look at this. This shit is so hard. You can't see it on on YouTube, but I got this little camera deal. 1 second. Hey, Gene.
What?
Look.
What is that?
I got that phone app on my camera.
Oh, that's tight. The one I was telling you about?
Yeah, hold on. I got to get it all. Oh, my phone! I got to get it all centered. It is Hello Bory. Hold on, I'll fix it though. There we go. Now it's better. Let's go. It just doesn't have any sound. That's the problem. It has no sound. It's all right. Hold on. Check this out though. I don't have any. I don't think if I audio mixer. Check, check, check. Oh, it doesn't. So lame. It doesn't connect to sound in there. I'm gonna run to the garage. All the haters been saying we rented the lamb chop. I want to show you my rented car. I really just want to show you my rented car. So I'm gonna do that. Hold on. You probably won't be able to hear me, Gene. You want to come talk?
Sure.
You can guide it. You can guide the video. You can talk for me.
Can I see it on my
Yeah.
Okay, he's walking through the house. He's doing weird dance. Strange. Yeah, we need to get that audio fixed. Look, those are the little Askins. That's Aston. He's no mames. He's mean to me. He barks at me every morning. Going into the garage. Got the Revolto. Oh, it's froze. Well, it's froze on the Revolto, guys. Yep, and it cut out. Jacob! Oh, now it's back. Okay. That is the car, guys. That's the rental. Revolto's very cool. It's going around to the side of it. Jdun threads. That's what it says on the side is Jdun threads. It's a V12. You got to, that's the Sonador that I broke twice. And then on the third time we finally got it in. Yep. But light skins. What up? It was weird. It like cut out for a second and then it started going back on.
I know. That was fun. That was a good time. All right, if you've been trying to get in, if y'all been trying to get in and put it on your calendar, it should work now if you haven't registered yet. If you haven't registered yet, it should work now. By the way, guys, tomorrow's Free Friday in Team Bowl. So if you're a premium member, nothing changes. But if you're not a premium member, you guys can tap in and trade in the Zoom with me. Bright and early in the morning, zero lag. None at all. If you're looking to get into the free Discord, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. That's the only place I answer DMs. This is live, and that is not me in chat. Goodbye, fake me. Good riddance. This is live. Do I think it's going to crash or go up? Honestly, I don't know. And either way, make sure y'all tap in. Hit that follow button if you're here on TikTok and you're new. My main stream is in the morning. My main stream is in the morning time at Market Open every single day. Every single day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, I'm live. So get off your butt. Stop being lazy. Stop procrastinating. Stop scrolling on your phone. Open your TikTok app. Open your YouTube app. And let's get to work together. How's the volume on this? Yep, I stream on both TikTok and YouTube every single day. It's crazy, Isabella. A small world out here in Littleton. I don't drive the cars as much. I mean, I only have one Lambo now, so when I had two, I was consistently driving them. Small world. That's wild. Littleton gang, let's go. As a reminder, guys, if you guys have any questions or if you want to get into my free Discord, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. That's the only place I answer DMs. It's my most active platform too. I live stream here, but there's a lot of good, fun stuff on the IG too. All right, team. Well, what do you think? Which way are we going for algo time? Which way are we heading?
Sam
I don't ever want to see you and I never want to meet you again. Bro, take a trade. Why? Why would I do that? Why would I force a trade? I use Power Hour to help get you guys ready for the next day. Do you guys like when we go on for Power Hour? I've been trying to do it once or twice a week, but we get enough love, we get enough people rocking with us, maybe we'll start going a little more. Hey, we'll call Grandma tomorrow. How about that? We'll call Grandma tomorrow. What's Power Hour? It's the last hour of Market Open from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Do you trust prop firms? Yes, the ones I have partnerships with. So you can use code Jdun not only for a good discount, but for payout protection from Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, or FFF. If you follow the rules, you will get paid on those firms, and I will make sure of it. I will absolutely make sure of it. I have connections with the top people at all four of those companies. I can't, if you don't follow the rules and you get your payout denied, I can't do anything about that. But if you follow the rules and there's any sort of delay, I got your back. I've done it multiple times. And Team Bull, they can vouch for that. I've helped multiple people when their payouts were stuck in limbo get them processed. Because I have a big following and I have good relationships with all the top reps. Not even reps, with the C-suites of those prop firms. So you better pay out my boy, otherwise. Yep, 15K here. Last name Savage. Yep, had a payout that was in limbo, and granted, it took us about a week and a half or something like that. He ended up, he got paid. He followed the rules, he got paid. Apex wanted screenshots. Apex wanted screenshots of my trades. Is that normal? Sometimes. Yeah, Evan, if you use code Jdun, obviously they give me a small kickback. It means the world to me. I appreciate it more than you know, and I'll always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, get paid, and then get the hell off the prop firms. I lost my account today. I'm sorry. That sucks. What are you going to do about that? And I don't mean that in an arrogant way. Like, how do we get better from here? That's what I want you to ask yourself. You can't take back the trades you took today, but what you can do is be better for tomorrow. That's what you can do. Who thinks we got to have grandma on the phone tomorrow at open to get her bias in the day? How many of y'all want grandma's trades? You got some yas? I trade better with grandma. All right. She trades? Well, kind of. She has good market intuition. She's 4 for 4 in the last 2 weeks. We're going to get grandma. We're going to get grandma on the phone tomorrow. We're going to say, all right, Nana, here's the deal. Long or short today. And I swear I'll rip a trade. What is Jdun's trading strategy? Channel orb. I trade a mixture of orb, and the main factor of my trading is not orb. It's VPA, volume price analysis. So looking at price and volume. And honestly, it's just managing risk. What is the challenge amount on Top Step X for 50K? What do you mean? If you're gonna trade on Top Step, I recommend, Isabella, just check out Alpha Futures. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. I'm happy to answer prop firm questions there as well. If you have any in-depth questions, it's JDUN Trades. Do I go live the New York Open? Yep, that's our main stream. Who the hell is ZZ? There's a reason why bro is talking about me. You get what I'm saying? Looking at this guy, it makes a lot of sense. That makes lots of sense. What part of yeah, I don't know. Whenever someone sticks with drama and trading, that's when I'm like, you don't make a lot of money as a trader or as a business owner and start talking tea. I did with my other account, Dodger Barnes. Yeah, but it's easy to say that for a lot of people. But if you're out, and you'll never find me talking down on any traders, right? You won't see me engaging in drama. I make enough money. I keep my peace in my life. Am I gonna run for office? Office of what? Presidential day traders? Dodger Barnes. Jen, I lose a close friend recently love trading. Isabel gave me 50K and specifically tells me to full port today. What's wrong with you? I thought you were serious. You're funny. Jay Dizzle for president. I go chasing again down. Up 286 in the day, but makes 36K a month. I make a lot more than 36K a month, my guy. And for what it's worth, if you look at this, it's actually more. It's just on this account alone, it's over 1,000 because it's 5 accounts. So, yeah, you sell courses. Yup. At least that means we're hitting the algorithm. We get the haters in here. That's good. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I hope it's just incredible and full of love and peace and happiness. Nice job, Claw. That's great. Any takes on Phantom Wallet and Mios? Phantom's all right. I mean, I don't really use it, but it's fine. Where is your indicators? I don't use indicators really. Hey, that's awesome, Bree. 74 cents. You know what? You're starting. You're learning. If you can break even and learn, that's a win. Are you still dating Steven, Jdun? Yeah, me and Steven are still dating. Yeah, Wrigley, I'm on a free live stream too. You know people wouldn't hate in Team Bull, but I gotta get the winners into Team Bull. I gotta let them know what we're doing every single day. How often do you cash out? It depends. I mean, in the last 2 weeks, and this is my first try with Top Step. I've gotten $9,500 in payouts. Yep. I'm two profitable days away from another payout too. As long as I don't blow myself up on these accounts, I'll be good. I shouldn't. I only trade 5 to 10 micros or 1 mini. 1 mini is my max on this account. Max. But I've been trading 5 to 10 micros or 1 mini, and I've made 10 grand off it in the last 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, yep, in 10 trading days. Well, actually, hold on. Let me tell you exactly how many trading days. I gotta go to Top Step X. Four, 5 long. Okay, unicorn. Y'all are hilarious. Yamaguchi. Got me sitting all night. Yamaguchi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Actually, it's been 15 trading days. Excuse me. And it was not 10. That's why I wanted to double check. 15. Total. It's been 6, 7. That's right. I do trade options on occasion. That's all I traded for a long time was options. That was it. Bugatti on a Tuesday. We got 1 more minute that I'm getting off. As a reminder, guys, in 4 days, we have our 3-day free masterclass kicking off on that Monday. Here's the link. That's awesome, Sabin. Yep, I'm teaching everything on the masterclass. Everything. And as a reminder, too, final reminder, the last day of 20% off Alpha Futures is today using code Jdun20. Go walk in your 3 accounts. Want to keep it cheap? Use the 50Ks. You want a little more drawdown? Use the 100 or 150Ks. I will do my absolute best tomorrow to help you guys pass them, get funded, and get paid out. Let's see here. Use code Jdun20. And let's milk them. All right, y'all. I'm all been out for the day. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning, all right? God bless y'all. Do something positive for yourself today. Do something positive. Go to the gym, read 5 pages of a book, meditate, eat a healthy meal. Do something that betters future you. That's your homework. I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Trade smart, trade safe. God bless. Peace. Adios, everybody. I'll see you guys in the morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Be there or be square. Adios, guys. Peace.